So here we have a 6-pin oval union. This is a Ucofs special 24A. This is. Now this one I can SPP it, but it takes forever. 24B is a little bit faster to SPP, but this one opens rather easily. Well, no, not easily, but it does open with the Prince and Princess again. I do like these gents. Now, I think, as far as I know, the Prince is the one with the bigger bump at the top. They're great, guys. I really like these. So I tend to start with the Prince, and with the bump at the top first. Most things with, something that's not got such a challenging bit in, this is the one you want. If you've got a few more highs and lows, then you need the other one. Now, front to back, just wriggle it around. Lots of dropping, doesn't matter. You kind of know when you're ready, when everything's ready to change picks even, be precise. Right. That feels like everything's reasonably set. So then the Prince, the Princess, the one with the bump at the bottom. I've just finished a night shift, guys, forgive me, I'm half asleep. But I've been playing with these all night, I have to say I really enjoy them. Great locks, John, really great locks. I've been spoiled recently. Got some great challenge locks here. Potty from Germany. Apart from the Abus, I haven't got any of his. None. Nope, I haven't picked any of them yet. Not raked them, not picked them, nothing. Got some great locks off Pickbeard as well. Jamie from UK Lock Sports. Oh, nearly. Stay. Got it. Just. Dying to see, there you go. I'm dying to see what he's done in it. Let's have a look. Well, first let's have a look straight as a working lock. These are the keys. Well wrapped. They're both the same. Right. Yeah. One working lock, don't we? Right then. Let's see if we can gut this without making a tit of myself. There's your lock. Let's take the camera down. Let it go down without falling over. Hang on a minute, guys. I'll try and keep the lock in view. Just turn it around. There we go. Right. Now, I'd already loosened up the third clip, so it shouldn't be that difficult. There we go. Done. So. Oh, come on. It was only yesterday I messed up a gutting. Let's see if I can get this one right. Okay. Yay! Ah. Well, that's interesting. There's 6 pins there, but there's only 5 in there. Right, guys, I don't know where my bits are. The wife's tidied up, so let's just lay them out. Oops. Lessons learned. And I got that little cardboardy thing, but of course the wife's tidied up. Right, I came back and she'd tidied everything. So, Oh, John, look at these. Now, if you've made these, mate, you've got some serious skills, to be fair. Beautiful. I hope you guys can see all of that. Oh, dear. Oh, we got 2 out that time. Again, look at these, gents. Oops. Man's a genius. Sorry about the order, but at least they're coming out. You can see what we got. At least I didn't screw the lock up like yesterday. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 springs. So we got a 6-pin core, a 5-pin core, and take it off the tripod. Come on, focus for me. Look at them. Yeah, aren't they gorgeous? You can see where I might have had a few issues, eh? Now let's have a look at the plug. What we got? Yep. Cheers, John. Counter milled and threaded. And what can we see in there? Don't think he's done. No, there it is. Look. I think that's how it is. Well, anyway, guys, that was a bit of a long one. Those are your pins. Pick and gut, reasonably successful. Thanks for your patience and take care.